Hello guys, and welcome back to another product review. Today we are reviewing another pair of heated gloves. So let's go ahead, open up the box and see what we get inside. Alright, so right away we get a nice carrying pouch bag for them, a user guide. Inside here is probably the batteries and the charging cables needed. So yes, the battery packs are in here. Let's go ahead and open them up, read off some specs. Alright, so these are lithium-ion batteries. They're rechargeable. It looks like they're waterproof pretty well. 7.4 volts. These are 2200 mAh and 16.28 watt, it says, WH. So those, you get 2 of those batteries for the gloves. So we're going to go ahead. They do supply you with a USB outlet plug. That's for charging. And then right in here, we see that you could also charge it with a USB computer or power bank as well. And one USB charges both of the battery packs. And there is an indicator light right on here built so you guys know. So you would just simply plug it in like this and then plug the USB into a power bank, your computer, or into this, which directly plugged right into the wall. Alright, so let's go ahead and now look at the gloves themselves and see. Right away I'm noticing they're very lightweight. So most gloves are very bulky, very heavy. These appear to be a little different. So let's see here. Yes, these are actually, okay, these are nice. These are a lot thinner. So they're not going to be like your super heavy duty winter gloves that you're going to be, you know, for like sub-zero temperatures. But these probably still work pretty good. So these are kind of like your heated gloves for going for a walk or riding a dirt bike or ATV when it's cold out. So let's go ahead and place our hand inside here. So they fit like a glove. They fit really nice, so order the size that you normally would. You can make it tight by pulling this and it, oh yeah, that gets it really tight on your wrist. Overall, they're very nice. Definitely great riding gloves. Driving gloves, so if you're driving in your vehicle, if you're very cheap or your window can't roll up, or you just want to be warm, your hands warm, there are nice gloves for that. Skiing, you know, they're not like typical heating gloves that are really bulky, so these are great that if you got to grip something, you know, and skiing or probably skiing, ATV, dirt bike, and stuff like that. Even riding bike outside in the cold and whatnot. So let's go ahead and test out the heating element. We got to make sure that works, and we got to see how that works. So you unzipper this little zipper here. Inside you're gonna have, okay, so they actually have a cap that you can keep on to protect that. So you pull the cap off. You place your battery pack inside, just like this. And now let's see here. If you tap it, it shouldn't come on. No, it's not coming on, just tapping. You gotta press and hold. Okay, so you press and hold, and then it lights up red. Red is gonna be full heat mode. Press it again, it lights up white. White is gonna be low. Blue is gonna be medium. Red is gonna be hot. So low, medium, high. And then you press and hold it to turn it off again. And then it stays off. Let's go ahead and turn it on high and see how quickly it heats up. Make sure you place your battery back inside the zipper when you're using it. And make sure you zipper the pocket back up. So that's going to be very important. And make sure you place your battery flat inside. That way it doesn't hurt your hand. So here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Alright, so that heats up very quickly and very warm. We're talking a matter of seconds that heat up that quickly. Wow. And that's definitely warm. We're going to drop it down to low. You definitely are going to feel the heat. So these are definitely great. You know, another thing is these are great for if you're snowmobiling and using your snowblower outside, shoveling snow. Overall, very nice. So if you don't like the bulky heated gloves, you know, those really big bulky ones that are like that big for one glove, then this is definitely the glove to go with. Overall, very happy with them.